Welcome back to the Basic Info channel. In this video, we'll help you navigate a certain city as a tourist. Welcome to Sydney, Australia. One of the most iconic and vibrant cities in the world, Sydney offers a mix of stunning landmarks, beautiful beaches, and rich cultural experiences. Whether you're here for a quick visit or an extended stay, this guide will give you all the basics to get you started on navigating this great city. Sydney is Australia's largest city, covering over 12,000 square kilometres, with a population of over 5 million people. It's a sprawling city that stretches far beyond its famous CBD, Central Business District. The further you travel from the city centre, the more diverse Sydney becomes. From the beachside suburbs to the multicultural communities in the western suburbs, Sydney offers an incredible blend of cultures, cuisines, and lifestyles, reflecting its global appeal. Sydney is home to some of the world's most recognisable landmarks. The Sydney Opera House, with its unique cell-like design, hosts performances year-round and offers guided tours of its interior. Right next to it, you'll find the Sydney Harbour Bridge. For the adventurous, you can take part in Teehee Sydney Bridge Climb, which gives you breathtaking views of the harbour, the city skyline, and beyond. Sydney's coastline is dotted with beautiful beaches, perfect for relaxing or catching some waves. Bondi Beach is the most famous, attracting locals and tourists alike with its great surf, vibrant atmosphere, and a stunning coastal walk to Bondi Beach all the way to Coogee. For a more relaxed vibe, head to Manly Beach, which you can reach by a scenic ferry ride from Circular Quay. Most beaches offer excellent spots to swim, surf, and enjoy the laid-back Sydney lifestyle. Getting around Sydney is easy thanks to the well-connected public transport system. To make things simple, grab an Opal card, which you can use on buses, trains, light rail, and ferries. You can obtain an Opal card from some train stations and local shops. Alternatively, you can use any major credit card or bank card. You should also download the local transport app called TripView on your mobile device. It makes it easier for you to plan your trip by being able to view timetables and track your bus, train, or ferry in real time. The iconic ferry ride from Circular Quay to Manly Beach is a must-do, giving you stunning views of the Sydney Harbour along the way. Remember, tapping on and off with your Opal card will give you access to all major attractions. Sydney's food scene is diverse and vibrant, with options for every taste. For fresh seafood, don't miss Sydney Fish Market, one of the largest seafood markets in the world. If you're after a multicultural experience, explore Chinatown and Haymarket for amazing Asian cuisine. For fine dining and great views, Darling Harbour and Circular Quay offer excellent waterfront restaurants. Venture out to the outer suburbs for a more authentic diversity of world flavours and culture. Sydney also has a lively nightlife scene, with popular spots like The Rocks, Surrey Hills, and King's Cross offering everything from rooftop bars to hidden gems. Sydney is also rich in arts and culture. The Art Gallery of New South Wales and the Museum of Contemporary Art are must-visits for art lovers, offering both local and international exhibitions. Head to The Rocks for a taste of Sydney's history, where you can explore cobblestone streets, weekend markets, and the oldest pubs in the city. For a fun and educational experience, visit the Royal Botanic Garden or Taronga Zoo, both providing unique insights into Australia's natural beauty and wildlife. If you've got time to explore beyond the city, Sydney has incredible natural attractions nearby. The Blue Mountains, located about 90 minutes from the city, is a must-visit. Famous for its stunning scenery, hiking trails, and the Three Sisters Rock Formation, the Blue Mountains offer a peaceful escape from the city. You can use your Opal card to take the train from the city centre all the way to the Blue Mountains. Another great option is a day trip to the Hunter Valley, one of Australia's premier wine regions, known for its vineyards and gourmet food experiences. Lots of tour companies offer day trips to the Hunter Valley. If shopping is on your agenda, Sydney has you covered. The Queen Victoria Building, a beautiful 19th century shopping destination, is home to high-end boutiques and unique Australian brands. For more affordable shopping, Pitt Street Mall offers a variety of stores, from international brands to local favourites. Don't forget to explore the weekend markets at the Rocks and Glebe, where you can find handmade crafts, art, local food, and other locally made products. Sydney enjoys a temperate climate, making it a year-round destination. However, the best time to visit is during spring, September to November, or autumn, March to May, when the weather is mild and perfect for outdoor activities. If you're visiting in summer, December to February, expect warm days ideal for beach trips, but be prepared for busy tourist spots and some scorching hot days. Before wrapping up, here are a few quick tips to help you enjoy Sydney even more. First, make sure to wear comfortable shoes. There's a lot of walking involved, especially if you're exploring areas like the Rocks or doing the coastal walk at Bondi. Second, stay sun safe by wearing sunscreen and a hat, as the Australian sun can be intense. Lastly, don't forget to check out Sydney's free attractions, like the Royal Botanic Garden and the many beautiful parks throughout the city. And that's a wrap. Sydney is a city full of beauty, culture, and adventure, with something for everyone. Whether you're exploring iconic landmarks, relaxing on a beach, or enjoying its vibrant food scene, Sydney is sure to leave you with unforgettable memories. Click the links in the description below for other activities, tours, and things to do. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more tips, guides, and basic info on everything.